Hello guys, today I will show you some important kicks that are very useful and helpful for you. So let's start the video. So the first technique is knee kick, and this kick is nothing but to kick with your knee at the enemy's chest, belly, lower abdomen or face. And this kick is like in fighting position. This should be like this. See here, first in fighting position, this, and in front leg, this. And when you do this kick at the enemy's face, then you should catch the enemy's hair or head, and you need to pull his head toward your knee. Or and first see this, first to catch enemy's hair or head, then toward your knee in fighting position. See this. Okay, you can see this. Okay, and uh, you need to do this kick at your back leg, and in back leg you can do this kick very powerfully, and this kick is only required in street fight. You can also use this kick in street fight, and you can do this kick in hikodaji position or in fighting position. And in hikodaji position, see, first to catch, then this or this. And in this kick you need to go little bit forward, and see this, and you should move your hip, only your hip. And if you don't move your hip forward, then this kick is look like this. See this, and the enemy will not hurt or harm by this kick. So you need to go little bit forward, or to push your hip little bit forward. Okay, and now, and you can do this kick every time for 20 to 40 times, and this kick is very much easy. This kick is nothing, and it is very much easy. And now the second technique is turning kick, and this kick is little bit hard but not so hard. And this kick is first to turn, you should turn like, see, and when you see, and you can do this kick at fighting position only. Okay, and here in fighting position, and you need to turn here. See, first in this position, fighting position, and then I need to turn, and then I need to hook kick. See this, in this position, see, turn, kick, back. See, and you can do this kick by two process. First you can turn, then kick, and then again come here. And the another is turn, kick, then again come in this position. And the first is to 360-degree round, and the second is 180-degree, then again come back to 180-degree. First, see, at here you need to kick, and then here. Okay, and you should not turn your hip fully, and you should do a hook kick, and the kick is hook kick. And you can do this kick at fighting position, and you can here, and you should back your kick. See here, when I turning, first to kick and then back, kick and back. See, kick and back, then turn, or yeah, and you can, yes, and you can practice this kick for 10 to 20 times. And this kick is yes, useful in street fight and also in karate or MMA fight. And in karate or MMA fight, this kick is not in some karate styles, like there are many. And in Sotoryu, this kick is called scorpion kick also. And you can And in karate MMA fight in Sotoryu, you can't round 360 degree, and you should do the 180 degree, which I told the second technique. Yes, and that is first turn 180 degree or at your back, then kick, then again back. And this kick is very much effective, and you can do this kick by jumping, and yes, that is also very much effective. And third technique is jumping kick, and this kick is various type, and that is single jump and single kick. That is first jump and then only one kick. That is my giri. See, first jump, then my giri. And you can do also this. Okay, and if you can't do this, then first lift your front leg, lift, then kick, and then this kick looks like this. And you can do this or you can do this. Okay, and you can do this only in fighting position. And again, see from here first, and if you lift your leg, then this, and see, and this is Mahagiri at the enemy's face with a jump. And this kick is also effective, but this kick is not, all these kicks are not useful in karate fight or MMA fight. This is the first, and the second is two kick in one jump, and that is first in the Jodan, and then the another is on Chudan. See, first you can do this by a front leg first. You can lift front leg, then Jodan, then in the Chudan, and see this. See again. Okay, and if you can do this kick with one jump, then you can do it, but it is better to do this kick in this position. First to kick in the Jodan part, and then jump and kick on the Jodan or the face, and Jodan is the belly or the chest level. Okay, and in this position you can do this kick. See, first in Jodan here, and then in Jodan. See this, and this kick is only in two types. And yes, this is only. And okay, this much today, and thanks for watching. And if you get something important tips, then press the like icon, and please subscribe my channel, and also comment which kick is your favorite and which kick you like the most. Also comment me below, and also tell me what type of video I should make. So this much today. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.